Channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be a vlog style pack with me, and I'm going to take you along this week with me as I pack for my trip for London and Paris. We leave on Saturday. It is currently Wednesday. This is Snicks, if you didn't already know. He's my kitten. And yeah, I'm gonna pack my actual suitcase I think today because I want to kind of know what I need to do laundry for and just kind of get that all sorted because we did a little bit of Cody's last night, which you guys will see. I'm also getting my hair done tomorrow, which will be Thursday, and I'm very excited because my hair is so dark and it doesn't really look that dark on camera, but I'm gonna go a little bit blonder, which is kind of funny because I'm wearing this sweater that says blonde, but like I'm not fully blonde yet, but I will be. It's from Brunette the Label if you guys are interested. And yeah, that's what today's video is going to be. I'm going to start you off with some clips from the other day. Also, I got a lash lift, which turned out really good. I'm not wearing any mascara right now, and I haven't for quite a few days, and it's really awesome. So I will have Tiana's info linked down below if you guys are in the Vancouver area and want a lash lift and tint. Okay, Google, how much time is left on the timer?
You've got 20 seconds remaining.
Ooh, 20 seconds. What? Good. Okay, so I'm currently making some blueberry low-cal muffins. This is kind of the second round. The rest of them are cooling over here, and I did give them a little bit of a taste test, and they taste so good. Okay, so like I said, these are blueberry, really low-cal, no sugar muffins. It's made with almond flour and coconut flour, and then there's like applesauce, which is probably why there's only 3 grams of sugar in these. So yeah, they're pretty good. I wanted to make some muffins because I always like having muffins on the flight, and so I figured I would just make my own so that I know what's in them. Yeah, and they're actually really good. I really like the texture of them, and I love blueberries. And then I did also want to show you guys, our pantry is a mess, but we picked up some more plain snacks yesterday. We found these are coconut jerky, so we picked up a plain one, and then Cody got the teriyaki flavor, so hopefully those are good. Not super sure about those. Obviously there is a bit of sugar and stuff, but can't have everything. And then these we actually got from Costco, and these have been so addicting. They're almond butter cups, and they are so damn tasty. I love them so much. What a good find. They taste pretty similar to peanut butter cups, so yeah, love those. And then we also got some veggie straws because these also looked fairly healthy, and it's nice to have like a chip option when you're going on a flight. This is another thing I like to do before I go on any trip, especially a long one, is make a big packing list. So I just do this in my regular notebook. This side is all like toiletries and stuff, and then I have clothing and accessories, and then my tech stuff here. And then I also do like to make a little to-do list. This pad is from K, which I'm actually so excited to go back to a K when I'm in London because it's the best stationery store ever. But anyway, I have a bunch of things on this list that I like to get done before we go. So just things I need to remember, like cleaning off the SD cards, downloading stuff to watch on the plane. Haircare, obviously we did that already, and I'm obsessed with it. It is so cute. I've been wanting to do the stars for a really long time, and it's actually glitter that I got in a limited edition YSL concealer package for some reason. So yeah, they had a bunch of glitter stars, so I asked the girl to put them on my nails, and it took a little bit of time because they are flat and they definitely needed to curve to go on my nails, but it turned out super cute. And then we added like little polka dots. So yeah, that is checked off on the list. I'm getting my hair done in a couple days, and then we also are gonna have to drop off the cats because they can't live here for 2 weeks while we're gone. All right guys, so it's Tuesday night currently, and we are packing for Cody because he actually works every single day up until we go, and even like the day we leave he is at work. So we're packing early, getting his stuff sorted so he knows what he has and what we need to wash. And I've been the best girlfriend ever, folding everything so it'll fit. And we actually we did order some packing cubes. Mine are just over there because I haven't started packing yet, but we ordered Cody some of those so we can organize his suitcase better. And then we're also just sorting through toiletries, travel size toiletries, because we have a very large collection, and so we're just kind of sorting out what he actually needs to bring. And now that we are all caught up on those other clips, I'm gonna go ahead and start packing the suitcase. I think I'm gonna lay out all of the items that I know for sure I'm gonna bring, and then divide them into my packing cubes. Here's a look at the suitcase I'm going to be bringing. It is by the brand Kenzie, and I actually just recently purchased this for this trip because my other suitcase, I always had to pay overweight fees because it weighed so much on its own. So hopefully I don't have to do that with this one because it's fabric. So there's a couple pockets on the front. And then I really like the rose gold zipper. It's so cute. And then this is what the inside looks like. So me, so cute. And I'm really hoping it fits all of my stuff. Okay, so here is a look at my piles. I do have my list over here. I'm going to actually wash all of the jackets. Oh my god, my foundation hand, oops. I'm gonna wash all of the jackets on like a delicate low cycle just so they're all clean. I'm bringing a leather jacket, a jean jacket with the sequins. This one I'm probably gonna wear on the airplane, my super comfy one, and then I have that plaid one down there that's more of a blazer. Then I definitely could have used more packing cubes. I only have these 3, but this is going to be jumpers and dresses and skirts. We got shirts in that one, which a lot of them are in the wash that I'm bringing. And then this one is pants and bottoms. So I do have to add a pair of jeans to this, and I'll wear leggings on the plane. I've started collecting accessories, which is actually probably going to take me quite a while, but I'm definitely bringing this bag. It is new, it's from Aldo, and I absolutely fell in love with it. I even got it on a discount at the Granville Street location, and I love it because it has the double chain, or you can do that and make it a crossbody, which is awesome. It's very spacious, so that is coming with me. I'm probably going to bring these white boots because I love them and they're actually quite comfortable, so have to bring those. Really hoping I don't scuff those up because I have to wear them for a dance show. And then I have 2 pairs of these black shoes. I have the taller version and then the shorter version. They're both from Target, but they're like the Steve Madden ones, and they're very comfortable. I've legit only worn this hat once, but I feel like London is the place to bring it, so we're gonna bring it to try it out. And then I do have 2 pairs of sunglasses picked out already. I have a white pair, and then this is my star pair from Free People. So I like to pack all of my sunglasses. I'm gonna be bringing more, but I like to pack them individually, and I will either put them in a purse like this, or I do have that little white backpack that will be coming with me as well. Since this is a vlog, I wanted to share with you guys a couple other random little things, and I actually just got this in the mail and I'm dying. I started screaming because I'm so excited. This is a package from YSL, and it's a bunch of their lip products, and I love so many of the formulas. These Tintin Bombs are probably one of my favorite. They're so beautiful, but just the fact that like when I was younger, owning a YSL lipstick was like a dream of mine, and I saved up and I did buy myself one, but like it's so expensive. It's such a luxury brand, and the fact that I'm like on their list to receive such a gift now is like so insane to me, and I just feel very, very lucky, and this package made me so excited. So I just wanted to share that with you because I don't really get the chance, and I feel like it's not really something I share on Insta stories all that often, but I'm definitely going to show you guys on there and I'm just so excited, and what perfect timing. I feel like this is such a nice like little thing to have before my trip, because I'm going to pick out a couple of shades, and actually these are the like glossy, they said there's a note here, there's like shiny, creamy, glossy, and matte, giving you endless possibilities. So I believe these are the Rouge Volupte Shine or the Vinyl Cream. You know what, I don't know, but these are amazing. They're kind of like shiny lip stains, and I really, really like it. It gives you kind of that like popsicle glossy kind of vibe, and yeah, I'm really excited about this, so I wanted to share it, and I just feel very bougie. So thank you to YSL for sending this over. I'm so, so grateful. So I'm definitely not close to being done because there's a lot of stuff in the laundry, but I wanted to see how the cubes are fitting. So we have the dresses and skirts in here, and then I put my regular like nicer shirts in here, and then I'm going to have a pouch for like tank tops and tube tops and stuff, bras, and then we'll do underwear in that one, and then pants here. I did fit in my heels there, and then my white boots are in a bag there. In here I have my hat and sunglasses and the smaller pair of heels. And then in my bag there, I do have a little pouch with my belt and my tassel earrings because I'm bringing a lot. But yeah, this fits pretty nicely so far because I just have a couple jackets and then my toiletries, which will take up a lot of room, I'm assuming. Hey guys, so I am home now. As you guys can tell, I got my hair done and it looks so good. Basically I had a ton of breakage, which was kind of to be expected. So she did a really great job of making sure my hair is still healthy. And then she said that the next session we do, I'll be able to go like a lot more blonde and it'll be a lot easier. So I'm super happy with where it is right now, and she did a great job of like lightening the roots, and she said it's only gonna get lighter. So yeah, and then we just did a little bit of a trim to clean it up, and I'm really happy with it. It's very healthy feeling and strong, and I'm just really happy to have this taken care of, and it feels great. I'm happy about it. Cody's Amazon packing cubes came in the mail, and then I also purchased this thing that I wanted to show you guys. It's basically like a travel tote bag, and I thought this would be the coolest thing ever and so practical. And here's a look at it unfolded. It's actually such a nice size. It's a really nice light material, and then this acts as a like carrier on top of your suitcase handle, so it like connects and makes it super easy to bring it on top of your suitcase. So yeah, I thought this would be a really great thing to have. I'm always looking for extra bags when we come home from a trip, so this is perfect because it just folds right down, and like using it for day trips and stuff, it's great. I'm gonna have a link down below if you guys want to get one yourself. They did have a few more colors, but I decided to go with pink. And then I did end up yesterday packing all my skincare, and it all fit in here so lovely. This cosmetic case is from Benefit, if you're wondering. So basically up here I have all of my like skincare. So I have a bunch of masks, I have a scrub, micellar water, some serums, couple cleansers because I haven't tried that one, but I know this one works for my skin. I have a Caudalie spray, I don't go anywhere without that, and then some wipes and face masks in the back, like sheet masks and stuff. And then this is my hair care section, so I have a hairspray, a hair mask, couple body washes. I have some living proof shampoo and conditioner in the back. I'm also bringing my purple shampoo, my like super purple one. I also have a detangler, like leave-in conditioner type of thing, and then cotton rounds, and then toothpaste and moisturizer here. But yeah, that is pretty much all my skincare. I still have not yet packed my makeup. However, I did put my foundations in these little containers that I got from Muji and just labeled them. So this is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation in number 9, and we got Too Faced Born This Way foundation in vanilla. So I have one more container like this that I'm going to fill, but I'm not quite sure what foundation I want to bring because I know I'm going to be tanning, so I want to make sure I have the right colors. Hey guys, it is now Friday. We officially leave for London tomorrow, so this is my last full day to get everything together. Excuse my breakouts on my face. I didn't want to wear makeup today because I wanted to just breathe a little bit because I know I'm going to be wearing a ton of makeup when I'm away, so it's better to just have my skin breathe for now. But yeah, I'm just finishing up packing my suitcase, which I thought was going so well until I weighed it, and then I realized I was over, and this always happens. So we've just decided that instead of most likely having to buy a suitcase to bring stuff back, we're just gonna take a carry-on each as well as our personal bag. So that means 4 suitcases total, which is kind of embarrassing because we're really only going for 2 weeks, but we're gonna move on. That's just my life. So yeah, I've been kind of like weighing them back and forth and trying to take things out of my big suitcase and put them on my carry-on, and then I just have a couple more things to show you, and then I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. So here is a current look at my carry-on suitcase. I just have a couple jackets, some shoes, some accessories, and then my hot tools. So this is kind of what I normally pack on my carry-on because I don't want any liquids, but the liquids I will be bringing in my personal backpack are going in this container. So I just have some sanitizer, some jet lag spray, lip balm, face wipes, or Kleenex wipes, little hairbrush, just a few toiletries, peppermint halo, and some perfume. Just things that I may need on the flight. I also like to put in hand cream, which I haven't done that yet. And then in my pouch here, I like to keep chargers. So this is definitely not full, but I'm gonna have a lot of my like camera batteries and stuff in here. I just like to keep them all in one place. And then this, you guys have probably seen, I keep all of my travel essentials in here. So I don't really have too much more to show you in this video. I'm just gonna be packing up for the rest of the day and getting myself organized. And this video will be going up on Wednesday, and then you guys will be seeing a travel essentials video on Friday. So that'll be my top 10 travel essentials that you don't normally think to pack. So stay tuned for that video if you're excited. And I'm also going to be doing like a travel makeup routine perhaps. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below because that would be super fun to do kind of like a makeup look on the go and see what I brought with me. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.